Welcome, Hornets. We're going to be taking a look at two examples using the product rule today. So you'll notice I'm currently looking at two different functions. Now, if you don't have a clear sense of what's happening, I recommend that you identify the first function as your f of x, 5x to the fifth, and your second function is g of x, which we will identify as negative 5x cubed plus 1. We're now going to find what f prime of x is. That is the derivative, and this gives me 25x to the fourth. I then find g prime of x. Notice I'm using the general power rule for each of these. So we have the negative 15x squared, and the 1 becomes 0. Now we're going to put them together as the product. So we take our first f prime of x, we multiply by g of x, then we add to it f of x, and we multiply by g prime of x. So I'm going to put my 25x to the fourth, parentheses, negative 5x cubed plus 1, and then add to it the f of x, which is 5x to the fifth, and multiply by the negative 15x squared. Now at this point, what we're going to be working with is simply adding like terms. So I'm going to distribute. I get negative 125x to the seventh, and I'm adding 25x to the fourth. In addition, I have this negative 75x squared, and that's x to the seventh. And then we add our like terms, and we are left with our answer, negative 200x to the seventh plus 25x to the fourth. And this is our goal. This is our derivative. The second example that I have for us to look at today, prior to you doing some practice on your own, is this one here. Now we're going to follow the same steps. I'm going to let f of x equal the 3x squared. I'm going to let the g of x equal the 3x squared minus 3. And you'll notice as I do this, I find my f prime of x. The derivative is 6x. I find g prime of x. This is also 6x. Notice the minus 3 goes away. We now put it together. F prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x. And we now substitute. We have 6x times 3x squared minus 3 plus 3x squared times 6x. We now multiply and distribute 18x cubed minus 18x plus 18x cubed for 36x cubed minus 18x. And this is my answer. Please do the following problems in the Google form, and we'll see another video as we get a little bit more complicated. Thank you very much, Hornets. Take care, be well, be safe, and we will see you in the next video.